Hey guys, Jimmy Yin here, the acupuncture guy with Achieve Integrative Health. And today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of that pain in your butt. So if you got a pain in your butt, what you want to do is you want to massage your hands. Massaging your hands can get rid of the pain in the butt. And so just massage, find the tender spot. You want to find the tender spot, and then when you find it, you want to dig into that pain spot and just rub it for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, push on your butt. Push on your butt, flex, stand up, do whatever you got to do and see if that pain in your butt is gone. If it's not, keep on finding another tender spot. Find another tender spot, dig in, maybe have your spouse, maybe have your girlfriend, boyfriend dig in for you. I'm pretty sure they'll help you find it, right? They may be the pain in your butt. So dig into your palm and find out which spot is super tender, and that will help you get rid of the pain in your butt. Butt pain? Do the leg hurdles to decrease that butt pain. Here's what you got to do. Get on the floor, put something in front of you, okay? And you're just going to lift your legs. Put your arms to support, lift your legs over this tissue box. Do this for 5 minutes, okay? If it hurts, just do it 30 times. Now you can make it more advanced by putting something higher, so you can lift your legs higher. This is going to be for any type of sciatica pain, hip pain, piriformis pain. This is all very effective. You just keep doing this, okay? Support yourself on the back so you don't fall backwards. And it's really loosening up these joints, loosen up that piriformis, your SI joints, okay? Do this every day. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, Jimmy Yin here, the acupuncture guy with Achieve Integrative Health, and we're going to continue the topic of how to get rid of that pain in your butt. Today I'm going to teach you how to stretch it out, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to get your left leg, you're going to bend your right knee, both knees, you get your left leg, put it on top of your right knee, okay? And then I'm going to go sideways. Then you're going to lean back and you're going to stick your hand in between your legs, and you're gonna pull on your right leg, and this is really gonna stretch that glute, okay? It's called the piriformis stretch. This will really help any of that butt pain that you're having, okay? So again, you can do opposite legs. You're gonna stretch this butt right here, okay? I already taught you the acupressure, the QRA acupressure, and today I taught you how to stretch it out. So both of these together should help you take away the pain. You got muscle cramps? Here's the #1 exercise you should do in bed. So, obviously I'm not in bed, I'm in my clinic, but what you're gonna do while you're laying down in bed, imagine this is the bed, you're going to put your feet together. This is before you get out of bed. And you're going to just push your feet forward, like push the gas pedal for 10 seconds, hold for 10 seconds, okay? After that, you're gonna pull back for 10 seconds. And you might feel like some tightness and stiffness, right? This is to pump blood and oxygen to your muscles to prevent calf cramps, okay? And muscle cramps. So do this 10 seconds here, 10 seconds back. You're gonna do this alternating for 10 minutes every single morning, right? So you can see like here, you're gonna push it forward and just hold it there, right? Push it back and hold it there, right? So you can do this every day. It's gonna help your feet, your plantar fascia, your muscles. Hey, it's Jimmy Yin here, the acupuncture guy with Achieve Integrative Health. And we're going to give you another option of how to get rid of that pain in your butt. If my first 2 techniques didn't help you, you're going to use number 3. Number 3 is going to help you, all right? So what you're going to do is you're going to focus on your shoulder. You're going to massage around your shoulder, find that tender spot, and because that shoulder corresponds to your butt pain, all right? So what you're going to do is you're going to find the tender spot around your shoulder, all right? And dig in. When you find that tender spot, dig in for 10 seconds, right? Dig in for 10 seconds, and then move your back around, move your butt around, squat, and test that, see if that butt pain is still there, all right? If it's still there, find another tender spot, all right? So shoulder correlates to butt. This is my QRA acupressure technique. Shoulder to butt, all right? If the right shoulder doesn't work, do the left shoulder. All right, guys? Let me know if this works. Follow me for more tips.